On YouTube today. We're gonna be doing a video unboxing on my taillights, and I'm gonna be giving you guys an update on the Civic, telling you what's going on and what I'm waiting for and what happened and why I didn't get my stuff, all my equipment that came with my seats or all my hardware that came with my rear bumper diffuser. But these are some taillights. I'm just covering this as my edges. I didn't take it off, my bad. But these are some taillights. They say JDM, but really there's 99 SI taillights. So yeah, I'm gonna open the box. They're all individually. I'm just going to open one or two just to show you because they all look the same. They're just, red and clear and nothing special. So I just don't like the orange ones, the stock ones. They're not the greatest to me. So excuse me if my camera's shaky or you can't really hear me. I'm just using my phone right now. And then I got some headlights coming. Those are supposed to be at the same time, but dude barely shipped them today. Sorry, like I said, it was shaky. I'm trying to get this out so you guys can see it. Sorry about that. Just wash out the way. Came with bubble wrap. I got it for eBay. Shipped, I want to say it was 58 bucks. See, they're red and clear. There, and it has the centers. It comes with the corners and the two centers. But yeah, see, it's real nice. I like it. And like I said, I'm sorry for the shaking. I was trying to open it. It's kind of hard doing everything one hand. I'm not used to this, so yeah. Yeah, that's the taillights. The taillights should be here soon. I don't really have anything else to unbox. I'm still waiting for my shifter, and I'm still waiting for my quick release. So I put my wheel on. I got everything else. That's the only thing else I'm waiting for the car. And I did order a tack light, which should be here soon too. Might come today. But yeah, I just been trying to get everything together so I could just start doing install videos back to back. And yeah, so and then I'll do the interior video before, because I already showed you guys the new seats. I want to show you the old seats, how they're ripped, and the cleaning and stuff I got to do, and what plans I have for the interior. And then I also have to still got to change all 2 cents here, but that's later down the road. But really just been chilling, stacking all these parts, getting ready, trying to get color. And my friend, he saw I had a Civic. He liked it. He seen I was been in the racing scene and had Civics, and he was just like, "Hey, I want to get one too." And then we looked like 2 days ago, and I found one for like $500, and talked the dude down, got it for 400. It's the same thing as mine. So 98 to EX stick shift. I have to teach him how to drive stick, but yeah, I'll probably be showing you guys that I got to go around today. I don't know if I'm film it today. I want to do it directly and then do a video. So sorry for the text noise if you guys hear that's my phone going on, but yeah, that's all I have for now. I will be in the video on the headlights and then my harness. The thing I said I've been holding up just I ordered my seats with harnesses. They didn't come with the harnesses. It came with everything but the harnesses. So I was kind of frustrated because I need the harnesses. I bought a harness bar. What's the point of having harnesses if you can't use them? Harness bar with no harnesses is useless. So I'm waiting for that so I can install everything. And then my rear diffuser for my bumper, my drag diffuser, didn't come with no hardware and it was kind of bent. So they refunded me for that. But I can bend it back and make it cool and make it work. So I kind of got a free part, so that's cool. And yeah, just been chilling. Haven't really been doing nothing, but if you guys like my videos, please subscribe, like, leave comments, give me suggestions and whatever you guys think I should do, or what color or rims or anything, just let me know. And keep on doing what you do. Peace.